playing?
Hmm.
I think it is. Oh, you too. Oh, I think it was playing. Hi. Hello, it's me, Energy. That was embarrassing. Yeah, and instead of being on the console today, I'm actually playing on the computer. You know who's gonna be in the Kids Choice Awards? People. That's right. Wait. What is that green stuff? I just want to point out actually, this guy does do front flips. Ooh, yeah. So he's not just jumping, he's a parkour expert. A bit like me. In this version of the game, you have to collect cards. That went well, didn't it? I think it did. I'm good at this game, don't worry. A bit. Sorry, just brightness setting. Huzzah! Huzzah! Yeah! I will not spend 600 minutes getting to level 2. That's where I died last time. Cause I forgot what the map was like. Okay. I don't know what all that green stuff is about. Oh no. Is that all that green stuff? Only on Roblox. This one's a bit more complicated. Oh, the Freddy Tails and you. Sorry about my listening. It's not good, it's skills. STEM skills, nowhere but this channel. Come on, don't make yourself embarrassed. And mainly don't fail. I think I failed a bit. Yeah, I definitely failed a bit. Not too much. Not bad at failing. I'm not good at failing. I mean, I am bad at failing, which means I'm good at unfailing. And I totally didn't fail saying that sentence. I don't know why I can't do that. It's just the pressure of the camera stopping me. A bit weird. Yeah, a bit weird. Go, come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's be having it. That was my failed crying attempt. game. Doesn't know how to be played. Okay, jump there, jump there. Ooh. I saw. That's just so annoying. I'm just gonna walk away for a second. It's been over for 5 minutes already. How successful is this episode being? Good. It's been 5 minutes. Okay. At least it didn't take 600 seconds to get to level 2. Probably level 4. They're good ones. They're good. Everyone else better step up their game and get good. Doesn't find good. They better get good. Of their goodness. Come on. Come on. This has to be the most catchy bit of the song. Oh! I wasn't looking. Yeah, that's right. That was a piece of cake. Oh my god, I'm not looking forward to that one. That didn't happen. That actually didn't happen, okay? That didn't happen. Okay, wait a second. Oh no. Oh no. To be fair, I tried to do a front flip and a 360 at the same time. And you can try to do that at home actually. Actually no you can't. Don't try it. You ready? Front flip 360! Flip. This isn't going well for me, is it? Not at all. Get good. 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 Get gooder. Get even gooder. Get gooder than good. Get even better than that good. Ooh, get awesome. Oh, can I make it? Oh, 500. Yeah, Bobby, you better believe it. I'm here. Don't worry. New platform right there. Whoa! I'm a noob. Oh, actually, what time are we? Time by 540 seconds. So, what would that be? 8 minutes. Not too bad. Oh, I thought I died. Look. Yeah. 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 How annoying is this? Why? Jump over there. Adrenaline. Oh. No, not adrenaline anymore. Oh. Official t-shirt. Get Bobby. I hate that place. Why am I think glitch? No, I don't like this part of the song. It's not good enough. It's not that good. I'm sorry about my fail. Whoa! Yeah! 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 Let's do this. Let's get good. Level 6. Only took me 600 minutes to get to level 6. Not too bad. Actually, 700 seconds to get to level 6. Not 600 minutes. I was right there. Hey. Okay. Okay, that was fair then. Wait. 700 seconds equals 11 minutes. Oh no. We're later in the video, am I? Come on. Got it. Yeah. Penguin. Ah, nice. Sprinkled. Ready for that? Whoa, I don't think you're ready for awesome skills of awesome stuff. No, I thought I didn't need that platform. Oh, dang, this is annoying. What all these people here don't know in this lobby is I'm recording a YouTube video. Nah. Okay. I think that is all for today that I can offer. So, see you in the next video.